Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Word on Windows 11 and preparing a working file. Launch Word from Start or the taskbar, then sign in so settings sync. This saves time later. Choose a blank document or pick a template that matches your goal, because templates set styles automatically. Once done, go to File Options to set a default font, size, and auto-save location so you avoid formatting fixes and accidental loss. You'll build the document by structuring content with styles. Using Heading 1 and Heading 2 ensures consistent formatting and easier navigation. Insert images or tables with Insert Pictures, /table, and set wrap text so layout stays stable across views. Make manual edits using Find/Replace for repeated fixes, and enable track changes when collaborating so changes are visible. Also, add comments for. You'll finish by saving and exporting correctly so your work is protected. Save to OneDrive and turn on autosave, or choose Save As to store a local copy. This prevents version loss. Export to PDF with File Export or Print to PDF when sharing a fixed layout. If Word misbehaves, make sure add-ins are disabled and run Quick Repair from App Settings. If that fails, restart Windows and repair Office. These steps resolve most stability issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.